Hey everybody, this is Dave over at PostandSend.com. I want to say thanks for stopping by and taking a look at today's video. Long story short, I want to make this video to help those people that are looking to know how to create custom tokens using their EAPD Posting software. I'm going to kind of work it a little differently this time and actually start from the end and then work backwards. And so I'm going to show you what the ad is going to look like when it's all said and done and when posted on Craigslist using a campaign that's solely created and based on tokens. And so as you can see, this is what the end result is going to look like on Craigslist. Here's the title, weekly photo pet contest. Here's the location of the ad, the time I posted the ad, this is a token, and then the date of the ad, today is September 8th, the image itself, and then I also embedded a number down here, which is also a token. So in total, we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tokens. Okay, so we got the title, the location, the time, the date, the image itself, which is clickable. So this is something that you can click on and get redirected to a URL of your choice. And then you have a number here. Okay, you can create as many tokens as you want, and you could put as many tokens in a campaign as you want. And you could also mix and match campaigns, and so one title could work in another product or service you're using. So you could take one title that works in one campaign and put it in another campaign and see if it works. And so you could definitely mix and match. However, some tokens could be specifically designed for specific reasons or campaigns, and so I'm going to show you a little bit about that. So here we have it, the actual ad. Looks pretty nice, huh? If you need help creating image ads, let me know. I create those as well. This is one that I created for this specific client. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Looks good. Boom, it's live. It's exactly what I wanted. Now, in order to get there, I'm going to pull up my easy ad. And for the purposes of this video tutorial and to keep it not so long-winded, I created the ad already, and I'm going to open it up. And when I open it up, it doesn't look like your basic ad. What you see here is all kinds of these phrases or words that are all within these brackets. Okay, each one of these is a token. I went ahead and created these titles by the name of my client, Zeta Titles. Okay, so it's beginning bracket, end bracket, and I put whatever the title name of the token is going to be in there. Location, beginning bracket, location, all in uppercase, and then end bracket. Time, same thing. Date, same thing. So you probably see the method here that's being used. And in order to create a token, guess what? You need to have these brackets. And so whatever your title is, it needs to be within these brackets. And so I strategically positioned all of these tokens to be in these specific places. If I wanted the location over here, I can do that. It would obviously, when it's posted, it would say the location right there and not there. So, and you could have it in more than one spot. So you could have it there and there. So you don't have to limit the amount of usage for each specific token. You could have it used as many times and an unlimited amount of times as possible. And so, as you can see, the title, location, time, date, images, and RNum, which is just a various numbers that's going to post every time the ad is posted on Craigslist. And here we go. That's the ad itself. Okay, and so I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Now we're going to go down to the meat of it, and that is the how to create the custom tokens. You go to the options button, click on custom tokens, go to token manager. Okay, if you've never created any tokens, you won't see any of these. You won't see none of these. Okay, it'll all be blank. And so for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create one. So you simply manage add tokens, add a token, and you can see it's going to pull up a name right here, new token. You want to just go ahead and make sure it's in uppercase, always uppercase, and then I said Zeta Images, right? Or it could be Zeta Titles, right? Because that's what I named that token. Alright, and so once that's done, you're going to go to, it's going to open up to a blank section right here, just like that. So I've already created these tokens, so I'm going to open up the ones that I already created, and you'll see now each line is a different title. And so as these are being posted, each one of these is going to be posted in each specific city, okay? And likewise the images. So as you can see, even in the images section, I've uploaded the images to imageshack.us, and it's a free hosting company. And even though it's the same image, I uploaded it 4 different times, and every time I've uploaded it, it provided me with a specific URL. And so with each URL, I placed it with its own hyperlink. This is an www.rt.nu, which is a free analytical short linker provider which will actually track your ads. So if you're looking for a way to track your ads, this is a good way to use it, where you add the URL to their engine and it redistributes it or shortens it with a special code, and you can then track it. So after you're done with that, you finish that, and then you're done with your titles. Once you're done with that, you want to go to your Easy Ad Poster Deluxe software, engage your safety switch, which is your test run, because you want to see what the ad's going to look like. You post it. It's going to give you an option of where do you want to post it. Now I have it posted on my desktop, and then when it opens and when it's done completed the post for my test, it's going to open up completely. And voila. What's happening here is you'll see that this is the one I showed you in the very beginning of the video, and then one in the background, which is going to open up in 2 seconds. Boom, less is the same identical one. Now, so let's look at this. Okay, this says 1:34, right? PM. What is the one I showed you earlier? 1:16, right? Back. This is the same because it's obviously the same date, right? Win money for your favorite pet photo. This is the one I just posted, the one I posted earlier. Weekly pet photo contest. Okay, I hope you start to see and get that funny feeling in your stomach, because yes, it's a very powerful tool to use these tokens. And so yes, it's a very cool thing to know how to use these things. Here, 8:65. So that concludes my video tutorial for the day, and I hope you enjoyed it. And this is Dave with Post and Said, and don't forget, keep posting.